Hello everybody! We are going to draw a simple rhomboid today. As you see, this is a rhomboid 995 by 1700 in our model drawing. I'm gonna put this model drawing aside and we can come back to it later on. So in order to do that and draw a rhomboid, I'm gonna use MEVACO templates. My parameters have already been predefined. So I have my perforation, selected material and surface. Now I'm gonna click on Add Position. Here we go. I need to confirm my perimeters. And this allows me to see my MEVACO templates. Here I can choose a rhomboid template. Remember, templates help you to be quicker and more efficient. I will start with entering dimensions. It's 1700, 995, and I remember from the model drawing that this dimension was 749. I will leave margins for a minute because it's easier to adjust them at a later stage. Click on Create. And here we go, we have our rhomboid. I'm gonna turn off grid. This will give a better clarity to my drawing, but also remember that turning off grid helps you to avoid grid snapping. And we can move on to perforated zone. Here we can see that actually those holes are running very close to this edge. So I'm gonna use adjustment tool to adjust my margins. I would like to have a margin of 20 millimeters. So here we are, I'm gonna confirm it. And it's done. We have our rhomboid. All I need to do now is to add dimensions. So I'm gonna click on Select Tool and Dimensions. And remember, a number one rule in Designer is to zoom in and zoom out. Of course, you can use your mouse wheel in order to do it quicker, zooming in and out. This helps you to be really precise. So I'm gonna add my first dimension here and another dimension along this side. You see that it's very easy. We can go to Preview and see our drawing. It is exactly the same drawing as from our model rhomboid. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Wish you good luck with Designer.